Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text box background transparent in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Now I am select the text box option and draw a text box. Click and drag on your mouse. Now we can see we insert a text box. Click inside the text box, then write anything. Now I am write some text. Now I am select this text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Increase the size of the font. Select the bold effect. You can align this text middle and center. But the text box background is not transparent. Now we want to make the background transparent. Select the text box, then go to the shape format menu. Select the shape fill option, choose no fill. Now we can see the background is transparent. You can add the outline color. Now I am select the shape outline and choose the outline color. You can increase the width of the outline. Now we can see we make text box background transparent in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.